Today, in this channel, let's have a look into Binary MLM E-commerce Software User Demo. If you're new to this video, we have previously discussed about the web page demo. Please check on this video and continue here for further understand. We are an MLM software development company in Chennai, running more than 16 years, successfully completing 800 plus projects. So we know what requirements for a software needs, and we have designed perfectly in user-friendly manner. Today in this topic, we will discuss about the user web page and how it appears for an user and what are the features we have inserted for an user to run his MLM business. As you can see here, this is how the page appears when you log in to sign up and sign in. Before continuing to sign in, you have to complete the sign up process. So when you click sign up, you will see a page where you have to register your details like sponsor ID. When you fill the sponsor ID, automatically our software refills the sponsor name and the placement ID required for you. So you have to fill your password and enter your PAN card details. And next, fill in the security code and click register. After registering, you will see a page where you have to enter your personal details. When you fill all your personal details and click next, you will automatically complete your process and then log into sign in page. Enter your login ID, your password, and when you log in, you will see a page of welcome to the team. In this page, you will see a numerous number of dashboards which shows overall your statistics as an user. So you will see the total earnings, user wallet, withdrawal amount, referral income, level income, all the statistics which a user needs. So total earnings refers which total amount of earnings you have earned and the wallet amount you have in your wallet and how much amount you have withdrawn. So all these particular and minute details are updated in our software with latest incomes and procedures. As you scroll down, you can see your dashboard and the membership status where you are active or not, and below you can see total ePIN, used ePIN and unused ePIN. So how much ePIN you have used and unused, all these details are updated in our software. As I previously mentioned, this is an Binary MLM product demo. So this demo consists of products, so you can purchase the products and recent purchases are all shown here, and your earnings where you have earned through matching bonus, referral bonus, pair capping wallet, and all these details are updated in this dashboard. And below you can see KYC unverified list. So if you have not completed your KYC verification, it will be in the process of unverified, and if you have completed, it shows as successful. And in this side you can see latest activities. So what are the recent activities that are conducted within your MLM members are updated here. And below you can see a referral link. Referral link refers, so whenever you copy and share this referral link to someone, they can directly log into with your referral link, so their sponsor ID and sponsor name is automatically registered. And this side you can see teams. As it is an binary MLM demo, so you have an left leg and right leg. So this teams shows how many members are there in the left team and right team. When you click view all, you can see a map of the left side members and right side members. So when you click on a member, you can see his details and his profile ID, his sponsor ID, and everything in his profile. And you can see there is a free space here. So this free space analyzes that there is a no member placed below Rimashi. So this is how our MLM software shows you. And below you can see recent news. So recent news refers to what are the recent news updated, and binarity shows who are below you and their ID number and whether they are active and inactive. And below you can see contact us and quick navigations for easy navigations, and that's all how a dashboard appears to you. Next is profile. When you click profile, you can see your own details like your name, last name, your date of birth, and all your necessary personal details are updated here. Click on bank details, your bank account number, your branch, and everything is updated. And nominee details, whether you have nominated anyone or a relationship with them, and everything. When you click on KYC, whether if you are not completed your KYC process, you have to upload all your documents here and complete your KYC processes here. If you want to change your password, you can change password by clicking on change password. And next you can see the tab purchased history. When you click on purchase history, you can see your recent purchases. As it is an MLM software product demo, the product you have purchased and his whether you have paid or not, and you can also view the invoice. If you click on invoice, you can see whether the invoice is processed or not and whether the payment status is pending or approved. And next one is delivery history. So delivery history refers whether the product is delivered to you or not and whether it is dispatched or is in the process. You can also check it by viewing the invoice. So in invoice, all the details of its payment status, its dispatch date, courier name and number, everything is uploaded in this invoice. So next tab you can see upgrade package. So upgrade package refers to when you enter into an MLM, you have to buy a basic membership package. So if you are in the standard package, you can upgrade it to the required package you want. So by clicking on select package, you can click whether you want premium or VIP, and whatever package you want, you can choose it here in upgrade package. And next tab is bonus. So bonus refers to what are the bonuses you have collected through your MLMs. So referral bonus shows all your referral incomes and what ID and their amount and date and whether it is approved or not. And below, product purchase bonus. So whether you have purchased a product and you have earned their purchase bonus and its status are approved or not. In level bonus, you can see all the level commission bonus and matching bonus, pair bonus, and everything is updated in our software where at each minute when you have earned your income or bonuses. Next tab is genealogy. So genealogy refers to a map view of your binary MLM. When clicking on binary genealogy, you can see a map view of whoever is below you in the right side and left side. And in downline member list, you can see the map in a list of details. Next tab is withdrawal request. In withdrawal request, you can see the withdrawal you have sent to your admin to withdraw your amount and whether the status is approved or not and whether it is pending. And if you want to cancel, you can cancel it by clicking on cancel. In cancel withdrawal request, how many withdrawal requests you have cancelled and whether it is pending or approved is shown in withdrawal request tab. And below is ePIN. The ePIN list shows how many ePIN you have purchased to indirectly bring a member to your MLM business plan. So this ePIN shows how many ePIN you have used, unused, transferred and purchased. So when clicking on ePIN, you can see the number of ePIN list in overall ePIN and your used ePIN, unused and transferred ePIN, and whether you want to purchase an ePIN or not is shown in this tab. And below you can see used ePIN, whether you have bought an ePIN and you have used it or not is shown used ePIN. And in unused ePIN, see the unused ePIN details. And next is wallet statement. Wallet statement refers to whether how much amount is in your wallet and whether it is debited and whether it is withdrawn and how much income you have and whether your transfer history, your total earnings and your balance, everything is updated in our wallet statement page. If you want to download it, you can download in Excel and print it through your print sheet. and this is valid statement tab. And next is mailing system. In this software, we have developed a unique feature of mailing system to communicate within your MLM members and keep your relationship up to date. In this mailing system, you can see mail statistics, compose mail, inbox and outbox. And clicking on mail statistics, you can see how much mail you have received, how much mail you have sent, and how much you have read, and every details is uploaded here. And when you click on the below tab, in compose mail, you can see the subject message where you want to send the message to admin directly. If you want to send to a particular user, just type in their user ID, subject, content and click on send, and the mail will be sent directly to the appropriate users. And below you can see their inbox, how much mail you have received, outbox, how many mails you have sent, forward, read and unread, and all details are updated here. In my cart, you can see as it is a product demo, you can add your products in the shopping cart and save it for later for buying. In wishlist, you can add all the products you want to buy, and in the wishlist you can update more products whether you want to buy later or not. And this is the total of the user demo. And if you want to click on the previous videos, and in the upcoming videos we'll see the admin demo, and all links are given below in the description, so keep following.